Welcome back. This is Mr. Angelus, and this is a short video on accessing and navigating the AP Classroom website. The link can be found on our AP Classroom page. Navigate to the Classwork tab, and if you're on your phone, this Classwork button is in the bottom right-hand corner of the app. If you click Classwork and then you scroll down to Portfolio Resources, you'll see the College Board login links. All these links will take you basically to the same page, but they are organized according to the different AP portfolio types. So I'll click on Drawing. Here it's going to ask you to sign in to AP Classroom. If you have not made an account yet with AP, then you will do that now. Make sure that you save your password somewhere, as sometimes if people don't use the account after a long amount of time, it won't remember or auto-save your information. So if you create an account here, please make sure you note which email address you use and what your password is. All right, so I'm going to sign in. If you haven't used the site in a while or you're new to it, it's going to ask you to accept the terms of service. So do that. Now it's going to bring you here, and this is, do I have to do this? I guess I do. All right. So this is not optional, apparently. Okay, so I'll enter my demographic information. Oh, you can, I'm sorry. I take that back. You can click, I do not wish to respond. These checkboxes here. Okay. Once you get through all that stuff, then you're going to see these three boxes. And again, you'll see these are the three different strands of the portfolio. So you have 2D art and design. So that's any type of 2D work that is not drawing based or not traditionally making marks on a page with some kind of direct material. So examples would be photography or graphic design or film stills, something that's, like I said, not traditional. 3D is sculpture, anything sculptural in the round, or anything that has dimension, I should say. And then there's drawing, which again is like the traditional way of making marks on a surface using paint or pencil. If you don't know which portfolio you are going to do yet, that's okay. You don't actually have to make a decision until later in the school year. So you may have an idea of what you want to do, but if you don't know, don't worry about it. I'm going to go to the Drawing Classroom page. And here you'll see the overview. If you go on overview, and you'll see resources that you can access for AP. And we'll be digging into some of this stuff throughout the school year. But I just wanted to show you all what you're accessing when you log into the AP page. So you can see that there are daily videos, there are webinars that are posted. There's the digital portfolio from the previous 2 years, which is something new that they have just started doing. You can also access the course skills, and these are what they consider to be the course skills, the essential skills that you should learn throughout the course. All of these things are we are going to visit and go over throughout the year. But if you would like to familiarize yourself with these different strands, you can definitely do so. Okay, now we're going to return to AP Central. So click on your name in this yellow bar and go back to AP Central. So now you're going to see these three magenta strand boxes on the left. So now, instead of going into this AP Classroom the way we did last time, go down to Course and Exam Pages and click there. And it's going to bring you to this page that says the course, AP Drawing, or whatever strand it is you've clicked on. And scroll down to the very bottom here, and you're going to see where it says AP Art and Design Course and Exam Description. So this is the core document, and it's a large PDF file, and it's the same for all 3 strands. So whether you're doing 2D, 3D, or drawing, the document looks exactly the same. So click on this, and it's going to bring you into a browser view of the PDF file. And this document has, like I said, it's really like the Bible of the course, so to speak. And it has pretty much everything you need, all the essential information. And, just for example, for today, since you guys are going to be looking at selected works rubrics, you can scroll down to page. If you scroll down on the left-hand toolbar to page 49, you're going to see the selected works rubric. And the selected works rubric is one of the first rubrics and first documents that you'll be working with. And so you have the rubric here on page 49, and then on the next page, on page 50, you're going to see a terminology page, and this might be helpful for some of the key terms that are in the rubric. So if you go back to this rubric, you'll see that a lot of these terms are in bold, and so if you go to page 50, you're going to see that it covers a lot of those bold terms and gives you an explanation for what they're talking about. Okay, navigating back. So let's see. I'm going to hit the back browser on back button on my browser. Sorry, and I don't know why it's going to make me log in. Again, you're going to find that the AP website is a bit of a maze when it comes to navigating. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you're done with all this for today, you can go ahead and sign out, and we'll be doing more with this over the course of the year. But that is a quick intro into the AP Central website. Hope you've enjoyed it.